Hello?
The conversations were part of a study published by the prestigious Royal Society. Well, not really conversations, says researcher Joseph Call.
What they are doing is they are learning to produce a new sound that is not in their natural repertoire. That doesn't mean that they are engaging in conversation. That's a separate issue.
Not conversing, maybe, but what about math?
1, 2, 3.
Or name-calling.
Amy.
What's also remarkable is that they make the sounds not through their mouths, but through their noses.
Bye-bye.
Mark Phillips, CBS News, London.